Assalamu alaikum. This is Usman Beg for Wordy. In this video, we will be learning some introductory conversations in Arabic, like how to introduce yourselves or how to introduce someone to someone. So let's get started. In Muslim countries, you will normally hear the greeting Assalamu alaikum, which means peace be on you. It is kind of a prayer. Like whenever someone meets someone, they start with a prayer, like Assalamu alaikum, peace be on you. And in answer to that, the other one says Wa alaikum assalam and peace be on you too. Then to introduce oneself, one would say Ismi Usman, my name is Usman. Masmuk, what is your name? And the next person would say Ismi Joseph. My name is Joseph. Let's go to the next page. In case you are addressing a male, كيف حالك? How are you? بخير والحمدلله. بخير means I am fine. Walhamdulillah and thanks to Allah, thanks to God. وكيف حالك أنت? And how are you? بخير walhamdulillah in case you are addressing a female. Masmuki, Masmuk, what is your name? كيف حالك? How are you? وكيف حالك أنت? And how are you? So you see, addressing a female, pronunciation of objective pronouns changed. Like it was masmuka with male, and it was masmuki with female, and it was wakaifa haluka anta with male, and it was wakaifa haluki anti with female. In introduction, next one might say min aina ant, where are you from? Ana min Pakistan, I am from Pakistan. Wama jinsiyatuka anta, what nationality are you? Ana Amriki, ana min America, I am from America, I am American. Ahlan wa sahla, welcome. And similarly, the same conversation with a female. Let's go to the next page. Min aina anti, where are you from? Wama jinsiyatuki anti, what nationality are you? To introduce someone else, you might say, Hada akhi, this is my brother. Huwa mudarris, he is a teacher. Or one might say, Hada sadiqi, this is my friend. Huwa muhandis, he is an engineer. And another way of saying Assalamu alaikum, there is another expression, one might say Ma'as salama, with peace. That's another expression for greeting someone, or when you are departing, you might say Ma'as salama. And the same conversation with female, like you are introducing someone who is a female, so you might say هذه أختي, she is my sister. هي طبيبة, she is a doctor. Or one might say هذه صديقتي, this is my friend. هي طالبة, she is a student. So you see the conversation in Arabic with a female, the nouns are changed and they have a ta'ut ta'anis at the end. The ta'ut ta'anis convert a masculine noun into a feminine noun. Here are few examples of it. Now the pronouns we have learned in this video are ana means I. It is same for male and female. Anta is you for male. Anti is you for female. Hada is when you're pointing at someone which is a masculine. Hadihi is when you're pointing at someone which is feminine. Huwa means he, and hiya means she. Alright, that's it for today. We will be seeing you in the next video.